In this video, I'll show you how to set up automations inside Ask Central, so tasks can run automatically in the background. We'll walk through how to turn a simple prompt into something that runs on a schedule or triggers when something happens. I'll also show you a real example so you can see how it works in practice. Let's walk through how to set it up. You can start by heading to either your Central EA workspace, Central Sales, or Central Front Desk. Under Ask Central, click on Automations. When you create an automation, you'll immediately see everything you need to set one up. First, you give your automation a title, then you describe what you want to happen, just like a normal Ask Central prompt. Your results depend on how you write this. If it's vague, the output will be vague. But if you're specific on format, structure, or priorities, you'll get much better results. For example, you can ask for summaries ranked by importance or formatted as bullet points. And then you can also use the Enhance button to improve or expand your prompt automatically. Next, decide when the automation should run. Right here, you could type something like every Monday at 9 a.m. or every Tuesday after my 11 a.m. marketing sync meeting. This is just a natural language shortcut. Ask Central will understand it and translate it into a schedule for you. Right below that, you can also set it manually. You can run it on a schedule, daily, weekly, monthly, select the exact time, and then choose your time zone. Or instead of running on a schedule, you can trigger the automation when something happens. For example, you could connect apps like Slack, email, or your calendar and run an automation based on events, like a new message or activity, and have Ask Central take action. Because automations are built on Central, they can work across all your connected apps. So you're not just automating something inside one tool, you're automating outcomes across your entire workflow. Once everything is set, you can test the automation and turn it on. Just remember, the best automations are things that you repeat. Daily briefings, weekly reports, ongoing research, or content generation. If it's something you find yourself doing over and over again, then it's probably a good candidate for an automation. Let's walk through a real example. Let's say that you want to stay updated on competitors or industry trends. You could create an automation like, every day send me the latest updates, blogs, or discussions about AI receptionists, and summarize the key trends and insights. And we could give it a title, Daily Market Research. And if you wanted to, you can enhance that prompt. And this is what it gives you. So as you can see, it elevated the prompt and polished it up a little for us. On its own, it added saving the final report to a new Google Doc with default approval. If that's something that you don't agree with or you don't want, then you can just erase it. So now instead of manually checking multiple sources, you get a daily briefing automatically. You can also then test run the automation to preview the output. And once it's live, it can be delivered directly to you. So here's generated the results so we can preview it. And if we click on this link, it'll take us to the document that it created with all the findings inside Central Docs. And it's also generated the Google Doc that it mentioned. Then once that's done, you simply click Create. Once your automation runs, you don't need to check it manually. You can have the results sent directly to you by either email or SMS. So in this case, I'm going to have an email sent to me every morning with daily market research regarding AI receptionists. So the output comes to you automatically right when you need it. Automations take the tasks or workflows that you repeat every day or every week and turns them into something that runs automatically. You set it up once and Central keeps executing it in the background. That's how you move from doing repetitive work to automating it completely.